In my last video, I had given information about one of the data entry fake sites by the name of Developer India Private Limited. Now, this is another fake data entry site called Data Entry NIC. The name is given here on top. Now, this is their home page. Now, this is the page you will see when you are logging in either through mobile or through laptop. Now, this is the home page, and this is the page it looks like. And this is the number which is there, and this is the only number there. And this is the soft key for joining in. And once you click on this, you'll go to a page where they'll ask you to fill the details. Now, if you see this site is fairly well developed than the Developer India site. It has got the soft keys which all are working, unlike the Developer India Private Limited keys. And they have all done up very nicely. If somebody goes through this site, they'll feel it is a genuine site. Now, their method of cheating is that once you fill in your details and register, fill in the details application and send it to them, they'll ask you to pay a minimum amount, say 700 rupees, which they asked me because when my daughter registered with them on 1st of June to check with them, they asked her to pay 700 rupees and send a proof of payment, and then they said they will give her the other further details. So she filled up the details and sent it to them, and now I'll show you the form how it looks like. Click on this, will go there. Now join it now today, and this is the form you see, and this is the form which was to be filled, and you have to send it, and then they will ask you to pay a certain amount for registration. Now that amount is a minimal amount, that is a very small amount, although it does matter because every amount is important. It is 700 rupees they'll ask you, and once you pay that amount, they'll send you an email from the email ID which I showed you just now, saying that they will send you the details, or rather the login credentials or login and password, and within 1 or 2 hours, and which will never happen. I've been waiting for almost now 24 days. I've sent them emails because there's only one email ID which I showed you. I'll show you the contact us. I'll show it. Go to the page and I'll show you. You click on this contact us page, and it'll show you the details of their contact details. Now you see, get in touch. All this will come, your account, and they have here. Now this is the only number which is there. This is the only email ID which they have. And location, now important thing is they don't have a genuine address. Now this address is a very vague address. Nasik Road, Maharashtra 422101. Now this location, how do you locate a agency or a office with this kind of vague address? Because this is not a genuine address. It's a fake address. Please don't get fooled by this fake address. The address has to be a genuine address where you can locate an agency, which it should have a genuine registered office. Unless you have an office, how do you locate them? There is no office. How do you locate an office with this address? Now this number, if you see, this is the only number which I have been trying to call up. Now yesterday they happened to pick up my phone because this number was not with them. Because my daughter has a different number, she had been contacting them on that number, and so after 1st of June they never gave any reply on that number. But I happened to call up this number yesterday. See, I'm calling them up, and I'm going to show you when I call them up what happens. Now yesterday, since they were not having this number, so they picked up my phone. And there was someone, Mr. Rohit, and I told him, please return my money back. I have registered with you almost 24 days back, sorry, and you have not replied. So he said, sir, time khatam ho gaya, kal aap baat kariyega. And today morning when I tried calling them up, they are not picking up my phone. I dropped them an email also saying that please return my money, I am so and so. They have not replied my email, neither on the 1st of June nor now. See, they will not pick up your phone.
आपण ज्या व्यक्तीशी संपर्क करू इच्छिता तो यावेळी आपल्या कॉलला प्रतिसाद देत नाही.
So this will what will happen once you have paid them and they know your number, they will not pick up your phone. Maybe from some other number if you call up, maybe they will pick up your phone. I'll try to see if I have any other number from which I can call up. But this is what will happen because nothing is going to progress from there on. They will just say, we will return you. They will say so many things they may tell you and all those things. But I have not gone to that extent. But I know it's a fake site because they have not been replying to my emails in the last almost 24 days now. An important thing to remember is the address. If there is no address in a site in which you want to register for doing some work from home, please ensure that they have a genuine address. Now there is a way of verifying the genuine address if there is somebody staying nearby where the so-called address is, you can send some person to check there. If there is nobody there, then you can write a letter on that address with the acknowledgement due, and the postman will not deliver that letter until it's the existing address, because he has to get the acknowledgement signed, he or she. So if it is not signed and acknowledged, they will return the letter back to you. The moment the letter comes back to you, you will know that is a fake address. Because fake address, if it is there, it's very difficult to take any legal action. Because for any legal action to progress, you require an address. If there is no address, how do you take legal action? The civil court will issue a notice. Where will you send that notice if there is no address existing? Like this site, this data entry NIC. Same way that Developer India Private Limited, they also don't have an address. Neither they give their address. So please don't do any business with these kinds of sites. Now you see this they have a nicely developed this software. If you click on this demo work, let's see what will happen. You'll go to this page. They'll show you this page. Then you can go down. They'll have a YouTube demonstration for you to make you feel that it's a genuine site, and you can work here. Yes, and work will also look very easy once you see this demonstration. So you'll be tempted to pay that 700 rupees, because you will feel कि it's such a easy work. I can always do it.
डेटा एंट्री NIC में आपको स्वागत है। हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में आपकी नौकरी बहुत ही सरल है। जब आप सदस्यता आईडी प्राप्त करते हैं तो आप अपना काम तुरंत
I'll try to enlarge this. Let me see how can I enlarge it here. I cannot enlarge it because it's hidden behind this picture. Let me see. I couldn't find a better way. Let's hear what she's saying.
डेटा एंट्री NIC में आपको स्वागत है। हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में आपकी नौकरी बहुत ही सरल है। जब आप सदस्यता आईडी प्राप्त करते हैं तो आप अपना काम तुरंत शुरू कर सकते हैं। मूल रूप से हम दिन में 100 डेटा दे रहे हैं। प्रति सक्सेसफुल डेटा 10 रुपए आप कमा सकते हैं। आपका काम आप अपने कंप्यूटर या स्मार्टफोन पर आसानी से कर सकते हैं। बेहतर स्पष्टता के लिए हम नमूना डेटा प्रविष्टि करते हैं। चलो शुरू करते हैं।
See, here they are showing that you have to just copy and paste. Now it looks easy. When any person sees this demonstration, work demonstration, he or she feels that it's such a easy work, I can easily do it. Why not register with them with 700 rupees? But that is the catch in it. It looks easy, it's not easy if actually you do it. And once your 700 rupees are gone, that is the time you'll realize that you have been fooled. So my aim of making this video was to warn people, please don't pay any money to any data entry site. If it is a genuine site, they will not ask you to pay anything, and they will have a genuine address. Now see, it looks easy and you will get fooled. It's not that easy. It's just a gimmick to fool people, to make people feel that it's a very easy job to do. Now I'll show you the other soft keys, how they have developed. Now see, if you see, if you are actually going through the site, you will feel it's a very genuine site. They've got everything organized here. Again, the join me now is there, the key is there, the mode of payment is there. Then they will show you a list of people whom they have paid and how they have paid. Is all fake. Please don't fall for this. This is all fake site. It's a fake site, and this is all fake news here in front of you. And how to work, they will show you so many things, how to work. You will feel, oh, it's good, I can work here, it looks so genuine. But it's not genuine. This is all fake site with all this developed to fool people. There's nothing genuine here. And as I have already told you, I have a personal experience with them. They have not contacted me after paying 700 rupees, even after almost 24 days. Neither they have replied to my emails. So my request to cyber agencies, if they are hearing this, is please help people by blocking these kind of fake sites, and so that people are not fooled by this site. Now this data entry NIC, you see, it looks very nice on computer as well as on mobile, but it's a fake site. It's being there and to fool people, and people are getting fooled by these sites. And the very peculiar thing about which these two sites, that is Developer India Private Limited and then Data Entry NIC, I found is that the people who contact you and speak to you, they all speak to you in Hindi. Maybe probably the reason is they want to fool maximum people, because most of the people don't know English. So I don't know what is the reason. I have found in Developer India Private Limited also, everybody was speaking Hindi, and they were sending me messages also typed in English but in Hindi. So same as here, you saw the YouTube demonstration, it is in Hindi, and even the person whom I spoke to, so-called Mr. Rohit, was speaking to me in Hindi. So I don't know what the reason is. Maybe so they can fool maximum people. I don't know. Maybe some other reason is also there. And please don't get fooled and submit your details and pay this money to this site. This is a fake site. There's nothing genuine about this site. This looks very fancy and all. Everything is very nicely done here. This is I was telling you the YouTube video which is there, which I was showing you. Now this I
डेटा
can show
एंट्री
you.
एंड आईसी में आपको स्वागत है।
See, this is
हमारे
all
प्रोजेक्ट
see,
में
it looks
आपकी
so easy it
फोन
looks.
पर आसानी से कर सकते।
See, here they will show you that you can copy and paste. It's not going to happen so easily, you know. It is just a demonstration to fool you. See, here they are showing copying and pasting, but it doesn't happen that way actually. It is all shown here for you to see and feel that it's easy, and then pay that 700 rupees and lose that money. So please don't do that. It's all fake site. It's a NIC. Data Entry NIC is a fake site. Please share it with people whom you know. The more you will share it, more people will come to know about this fake site. This is an absolutely fake site, and cyber agencies, if they are seeing this video, I'll request you to block these kind of sites. And since there are numbers existing and there is a email existing, you can always track these kind of people down and penalize them and let them face the music of the law, which the cyber agencies should do. And the other thing which cyber agencies can do is, in every state, cyber cell should publish the genuine data entry sites, so people are not fooled by these data entry sites. And progressively, these kind of data entry sites, the cyber cell should track them down and block them, so that they don't appear on the internet anywhere, so that people are not fooled by these sites. So please remember that this data entry NIC is a fake data entry site. Please share it with maximum people so that people know about this site. As I have told you in the last video also, which was regarding the Developer India Private Limited, that was also a fake data entry site, and this is also a fake data entry site. Please don't get fooled by this site. This is the site home page I'm showing again and again, so that when you open your laptop on this site, on laptop or on your mobile, you should know that this is a fake data entry site. Please don't get fooled by them, and I'll request the cyber agencies to take the needful action against these all people who are out in the business of cheating gullible people, who in these pandemic times are trying to make their ends meet by trying to do something from home. And these kind of fake data entry sites are having a field day, fooling people and enjoying their money in this hardship. And we need to do something about it. The cyber agencies needs to do something about it. So data entry NIC is a fake site. I'll request again, whoever has seen this video, please share with maximum number of people so that people know about this fake data entry site. Thank you.